Myself, Karthikeyan Ramanathan, Senior Vice President of Zebu Share and Wealth Management Private Limited. Today, we are going to learn about algorithm trading deployment from the experienced pilot faculty, Mr. Dinesh Verma. He is the sales head of TradeTron Technologies. So he's having a lot of experience in this trading and then strategy creation. So he have presented more than 400 and 450 financial literacy webinars and then strategy creation webinars in pan India presence. So I want to share some words about the TradeTron. The TradeTron is a new innovation team to create a lot of innovation about the trading and strategy creation. So they are made very easy to making money in current situation because of what are the market conditions are there, we can easily make money by the strategy creation, and then everything is for the working professional or trading professional, everybody can easily learn and just click on deployment strategies by very quick process. So this is a very innovation and welcomable innovation from the TradeTron side. So let's welcome Mr. Dinesh Verma, the pilot faculty of today's session. I will happily hand over the floor to you. So Dinesh, please
Yes,
take over the floor.
yeah, thank you so much for the introduction and good evening, everyone. My name is Dinesh and I am a sales head at TradeTron. So I'll just share my screen before we start. So let me just. All right, so you all can see my screen.
Yes, yes.
Great, great. So yes, so as Mr. Ramadan has already informed that we have a platform which is solving a lot of uh, requirement problems, basically from the algo trading perspective. And TradeTron is launched last year on January 2020, and so far it's been like very tremendous response that we have received from the clients and also from Zebu clients specifically. So today we are going to discuss about TradeTron platform, how this platform can be used, how you can create your account, how you can link your Zebu trading account, and what are the features available and how you can use it to monetize and to get benefit out of that. Okay, so we'll follow the steps. Basically, you can just understand, and if there is any thing that you have not understood, you can definitely ask me at the end of the session. So we'll start the session. So here is you can see, uh, you can just go to this zebutrade.com/algotrade slash. So this page will open up, and to go to TradeTron side, you can just click on this link. So it will directly take you to the TradeTron website. Now, this is very important for you all to understand that in order to take any trades from Zebu, like, there is a requirement of login into Zebu, either mobile application or a web application. So what I'll do right now is I'll log into Zebu account, and then I'll proceed further on how you can start with TradeTron website. So I'll just quickly log in. So I have already logged in the account. Now you can come to the TradeTron website. So this is the platform, and if you all have not created your account with TradeTron, you have to simply click on the sign up link, and create. You put your details and click on sign in, and you can directly log into your account. So I log in my account. So TradeTron provides two very important feature, which is solving a lot of issues that most of the investors and traders are facing currently. So first, very powerful like option that most of the traders have got is to select the strategy from the algo strategy marketplace. Now, in the marketplace, you will find the strategies which are already created by the portfolio managers and the strategy creators, and they have listed the strategy on the platform so that if you do not have your own strategy, you don't have the logic, you can directly use it directly. You can start uh, selecting the strategy from the marketplace, and you can start using that. This is the first one. Also, Tradetron has their own, like we have our own strategy builder. Now, this strategy builder is very powerful. Reason being is you can create multi-leg strategies, pair trading strategies, strategies related to the gamma scalping, option based, or if you want to trade in MCX, if indices, futures, stocks. So all that is possible. Intraday is possible. Positional is possible. Not only that, this if you build a strategy on Tradetron, there is not any requirement of any data feed connection or a VPS connection outside. So everything is available in this framework itself. Once you start using Tradetron, you don't have to go anywhere. All you need is the API from Zebu that is available for free. So Zebu is providing free API as well. So we'll understand now how to connect first your Zebu account, and then we'll talk about the individual features and how you can use it. So in order to connect your Zebu account, you have to click on this broker and exchange. So first you will click on your name and then click on broker and exchange, and then you click on the add broker. So when you click on add broker, here you can select option Zebu, and you can provide your API key over here. So you will get this API key from Zebu itself. So how to generate that? I'll just explain it that way. So you can see here, uh, this is already authorized.
Dinesh is going to settings.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so from settings, you can go to here is already the key is provided, right? And you can regenerate the API key from here. So you can click on this, and that this API key you can use it in the API key over here. So this I think this details will be sent to you on email, and there you can check it like that. So let me just put this. So let's say so basically you will get this API key and from Zebu, and you can use your Zebu ID over here and click save. So you can see now Zebu is connected, and this is only one time process. Okay, you don't have to do this process again and again. All you have to do, again I'll repeat, you have to add a broker from the broker and exchange, and you have to also stay login into the any application, either a mobile app or their web platform. Okay. Also, I request you all to take a note of this email ID, that is assist@zebutrade.com, and you can directly write to Zebu team for connecting your account with the Tradetron, and also they provide like coupon codes, so you can directly contact Zebu for the same. So you can just make a note of this email ID, assist@zebutrade.com, or you can reach out to the Zebu team and they'll let you know how to connect with Tradetron. So this is very simple, and you already have the people helping at the Tradetron also and also at Zebu to assist you on the same. Now, once the broker is added, it will, as you can see, the name is already reflecting in the broker and exchange. And now we are good to go and deploy any of the strategies either from the marketplace or the created strategy which you have created for your own requirement. So let's understand the marketplace, how to deploy the strategy, and how to read the details in terms of which strategy is good for you. So at Tradetron we have made things very simple in terms of making like making these details available to you so that you can make a choice which strategy is good for you. So how to select that? First, you can see on the left hand side, you get an option of filter or the sorting of the strategies. So here you can see search strategies, which you can search via any name of the strategy. So let's say if you type crude, you will get all the crude based strategies. Let's say if you put equity cash, so you will get all the strategies from equity cash. Similarly, you can search from any name. Also, you can sort it by like by rating. You can sort it by rank, latest, the latest strategy fees, maximum deployment. Then you can sort it by exchanges. There are free strategies available. There are paid strategies available, and any of the strategies which you have done a favorite strategy. So I'll just show you how to read. So let's say like anyone who wants to deploy a strategy or deploy capital for trading purpose, the first important few questions, the first question that comes in the mind is what is the return to expect from the strategy, and what is the loss, basically how much this strategy makes overall, right? And what is the capital required? So this is a very basic question to actually begin the strategy selection. So Tradetron has exactly displayed these details, and you can also further get other statistics also. So let's say this is an example for you. This is a strategy created by Phoenix Algos, and this is intraday Bank Nifty and Nifty Phoenix straddle. Now you can see the strategy is created 3 months ago, and there is already a live deployment of 107 clients, and it has generated a return of 56% in this 3 months time. Maximum loss that it has incurred is 6% of the capital deployed, or 16,000 in an absolute term. So this on 3 lakhs capital, this is the max loss that it has seen over the period of 3 months time. Now what does this mean? A monthly fee that is 500 plus 5%. So this strategy is allowed to subscribe if you make this payment of 500 rupees to the strategy creator. So when you click on subscribe, it will ask you for a payment of 500 rupees. That means this strategy signals you will be able to deploy only once you make this payment. And after that, this 5% is a sharing of profit. So after, let's say the strategy is making money for you, then you will have to pay 5% of that profit to the strategy creator. So this is a cost for subscribing this strategy from the strategy creator itself. In case if you don't have your own strategy, so you can select the strategy from the marketplace. Similarly, here you can see this is a strategy created by GetSet Multiplier. Now in this you have all the other parameters as well, but this strategy is free plus 10%. What it means is basically you can directly subscribe this strategy, and there is no charges for subscribing the strategy or taking the signal in your Zebu account. But if you earn profit of that, 10% will be charged, or the invoice will be sent to you to make a payment to the strategy creator. So this is a very simple in terms of the payment structure. Now let's say if I want to understand more details about this particular strategy, I'll click on the name. Here is the Phoenix Algo, and here you can see this message icon. So let's say if I have any question about the strategy, I can directly write my questions, or I can write or communicate directly with the strategy creator from this here. Here is a strategy description, and you can read the details over here, what the strategy is all about. Also, you can see the subscribers, what is the capital required. Now here is very interesting thing. As you can see, this is a statistics. Now this statistics is based on the system generated. That means no strategy creator can manipulate this thing. And you can see this particular, the performance has been really good for this particular strategy. And it was launched or it was like listed on marketplace on 8th of March. And so far it has generated 1,69,000 on paper trading. So this is on a based on paper trading. So real execution will definitely differ from this paper trading result, but this will give you an idea what is strategy, what is the potential for the strategy to deliver overall. and you can see this the Sharpe of this strategy is 8.56 and standard deviation is 0.20%. It has generated profitability like every month. This has been profitable, and there is a comment by other users as well. So you can read this comment as well to make a choice whether this strategy is good enough for you to subscribe. And also you can deploy this strategy on paper trading and test it. We'll talk about that as well. So this is how you will select a strategy from the marketplace. So let's say I'll just deploy one of the strategies. So this is a kinetic strategy, and let's say if I want to like deploy this particular strategy, I'll click on subscribe. So you can see this message: strategy subscribe successful, right? So I'll go to my strategies. Here I'm getting option of created and subscribe. So when I click on subscribe strategies, I'll get all the strategy name which is already subscribed from the marketplace, and I can deploy this. So when I click on deploy this, I'll get an option of multiplier. So this multiplier option gives you an option to deploy this strategy on multiple, or let's say increase quantity. So let's say if the strategy is trading only for one lot, so you can decide to increase the quantity based on the multiplier you can select. So you can multiply the default quantity and you can get that execution done. For whenever the signal is generated, it will trade for that much of quantity in that case. Then Tradetron provide you 4 types of execution. First is live auto. In live auto, whenever the signal is generated, the execution happens automatically in your Zebu account, and there is no manual intervention is required. In live auto one click, whenever the signal is generated, user have to click on proceed option. So when they click on proceed, only then the trade will be fired in the Zebu account. Live offline is there is no trade that is executed in your Zebu account, but user will be notified via SMS, phone call, email, and WhatsApp messages. And in paper trading, you will not see any execution or anything, but you will get a details of all the strategy execution in terms of without risking real money. So let's say if you want to test your own idea, or if you want to deploy a strategy from the marketplace before risking real, deploying the real capital, you can test a strategy on paper trading, see how it performs, whether it suits your requirement, and then you can proceed with the deployment. So let's say I'll select live offline for now, and I'll select Zebu and click on deploy. So I'll click go to deploy. So as you can see, now this strategy is active and it is deployed in Zebu. I can change the multiplier from here also. I can pause the strategy if I want. I can change it to like I can download its trade data. I can check notification log. I can start the strategy. I can exit the strategy from here. So if I click start, it will again be an active, right? You can also see the details over here. So let's say if I want to check the details over here, basically when was the entry and when was the exit. So I can check that information also available over here. I can see so what is this counter? Basically this counter is whenever the status goes from active to exited, that is considered as one counter. So this 70 counter means there are 70 times this uh, particular status has gone from active to exited. And I can check the statistics for this particular deployment as well. And I can check what has been the performance for this particular strategy. On a dashboard, you will see all the deployment summary. Basically, it is a quick view for you to understand what has been the overall performance, and also you can manage it from here. So let's say if I want to pause the strategy from here, or if I want to reactivate this, I can reactivate. I can exit the position if there is any position already there, like that. I can check market watch, open position, Greeks, order book, notifications, all that can be done. Now, there is one more very interesting feature that most of the users of Tradetron are liking it is sharing the strategy with others. So basically, marketplace is one of the concept where you want to monetize further on your strategy. Also, let's say you want to keep your strategy private, as in you don't want to list on the marketplace, but you want to share your strategy only with the close network, like private clients or family or any family friends like that. So you can do that as well. So I'll show you how it looks basically. So this is a public strategy which is available for the duplication basically. So this is just a template strategy. And if I want to check how many clients have deployed, I have to click on this all deployed section, and I will see all the clients who have deployed live. Now there is no live deployment in this particular strategy, but I can see the details options available. So if I, let's say there are live deployments and I want to exit for all the account, I can click on exit and click on update status. So it will exit for all the accounts who have deployed the strategy. So basically, if there are multiple strategies that are shared with the multiple clients or multiple users, so you can exactly following. Basically, it's your created strategy. Then you can manage it from here as well. Now this is a my subscriber page. So basically it will give you the details of, let's say if you already listed your strategy on the marketplace and you want to know how much profit has been generated for the clients, how much revenue you have earned from the marketplace by as a subscriber revenue or a profit sharing revenue. So all that information you will get in the my subscriber page. You can check the strategy wise profitability and how much amount need to be invoiced and everything. You can check broadcast, you can broadcast the messages, you can check the invoices, right? And you can also you can check in this report section. So in report section you will get a details of let's say if you're running a multiple algos of directional strategies or mcx based strategy or equity based strategies like that, or non-directional strategy. So you want to understand that how much strategy has performed at a portfolio level. So you can check that all from the report page itself. And if you click on details, you will get individual day-wise performance as well of individual algo. And here is a notification tab. So you can see here when you click on notification, you can check any of the boxes. So let's say if I want to check, basically it will send you the notification, and you can act on that. So whenever the signal is generated, either you can directly place manually also, or directly you will get an alert whenever the signal is generated, like that. So now we'll understand about the strategy creation page. So strategy creation is also very simple because there is no coding required, but yes, there is a small amount of learning curve, and we'll just understand one of particular strategies, how to use it. So here is the strategy creation page where you can define your content. So here you will write a name, you will write a tag, you'll put your description details over here. Here is a entry condition. So you will define your logic over here, and what position you want to take from that logic, you will define over here. And so we'll just do one thing. We'll directly duplicate one of the strategies, and I'll show you how you can use that. So for everyone, it is available for free. You can just check here. This is a strategy template. All you have to do is just go to the extreme bottom of the page and click on the strategy templates. Now you can see this is the template already created. You have to click on this link, and you'll click on this duplicate. So when you click on duplicate, this logic is already available. So you can check over here. There are so many strategies which is available for free to duplicate. And this is just a template. This is not a strategy as in of something there are already codes available which you can tweak it as per your requirement. So it is just a template. End of the day, you have to tweak it as per your requirement. And how to do that, I'll explain it to you. So now we have duplicated a strategy, one of the strategies. And when I click on my strategies, I will see that strategy is now in my strategies page. And now I can click on edit, and I can change the name. So let's say I want to put any other, right? What the strategy is going to do is basically it is explained in this description itself. So what it's going to do is buy strangle at 10 a.m. through entry condition. Then it will short straddle are taken through repair once after buy positions are traded, and we are keeping the strategy stop loss at 3,000 rupees, and also individual leg stop loss of 40%. And there is one small change in this. So whenever any side, let's say call and put is shorted, any one side of the stop loss is hit, automatically the other side, other leg will trail the stop loss to 20%. right? So how the strategy is created, now you can see here. So when I click on this particular condition builder, here you can see the condition is given that time is greater than or equal to 10. 1000 means 10 basically. So 10 a.m. and if you want to make it as, let's say, 9:45, so you put a 9:45 here. If you want to make it as a 11:30, so you'll put 11:30. There is no dot or anything in between, just a number here. And you are mentioning that all position is equal of Nifty. So you can just when you select it. So how to select this position basically? You will type here is the position detail. So you can select this position detail here, and then you will select basically. So all entry like that. So when you click on this position detail, this is a condition type. So this is a condition type entry, transaction type, whether it's buy or sell or all, instrument type, call or put option. So I have mentioned is all. Quantity, you can mention as a value or a count or quantity, and which underlying. So this strategy is based on Nifty. I can make it as Bank Nifty also if I want. I can select as a Bank Nifty as well. And if all the position in the condition is 0, that means there is no position at all. At that time only you should take a trade. Then buy strangle. So I'm buying this. So when I click on this, you can check over here. So this is NFO section. Here call option is selected. Here is a Nifty. You have an option of NRML and MIS. Now how you will define out of the money option? So basically you can select these strikes also. You can say directly ATM also, or you can select FX. FX stand for formula. So when you select FX, just have to click on this FX, and you will type here as a ATM. ATM is at the money, and now you can see this is underlying. So underlying is Nifty here, and for call option. So for call option, you will mention 4 plus. So what do you mean by plus 4? Basically, when you just type 4, it means 4 strike away from the at the money. If you want to take the put option away, like 4 strike below the at the money for put option, you will type as -4. So it's like that. So now it is typed as 4. That means 4 strike away from at the money. And you can choose the current month, current week over here, lots, and how many lots you want. Similarly, you will select the put option, but this time you will select as -4. So why this strategy is buying the option first is to reduce the margin. So as you all know that now in order to short options, the margin requirement is pretty high. But if you buy the hedge first and then you place the short, then the margin requirement reduces significantly. So in order to take the benefit, rather than you making that transaction manually, Algo will directly first execute this, and then it will execute the short straddle option. So as you can see here, the ATM, that is at the money call, and at the money put is shorted. So after this is executed, entry is done. Repair once. Repair once means it will only execute this position only once. And when I select continuous, then it will keep executing like that. So now let's say why we will choose continuous, because let's say if you want certain condition, if as in when it is true, you want the position to be taken. Let's say if you want to buy above super trend and sell below super trend. So whenever the price crosses super trend, you want to buy. As in when it will come down, you want to sell. So you want to trade all the signals basically. So you will make it as a either repair continuous also. There are other ways also to meet that requirement. You can create altogether different set. Now in this condition, you can see over here that you already have the information. So you have mentioned that's the last traded price. So this last traded price of the traded instrument. So here is the entry, repair once, repair continuous, exit. So why we are seeing mentioning as a repair once, because we are defining the 40% stop loss for this particular leg. So this leg is coming in the repair once, and this is the first time, the first repair once. This is the second repair once. Similarly, you can see here is a third repair once, right? So when you define the logic, you can mention, you can select that as a repair ones instrument, underlying is Nifty set number. So where the set number is, so you can see here the set number is here. This is the set number. So this is the set number 1. So condition is the first condition. So you are defining the first condition that is there and the first leg. So last traded price of this first repair ones, first condition, this is the first condition set 1 and this is the first condition, and for this particular leg, call leg, if this price, last traded price is there, right, so that is this particular block will be activated only if there is a this position is already taken. Now you're defining that if the last traded price of that is greater than the traded price. Now this is the traded price, so you can define the traded price also. So here is a price selection that you have to do it and multiplied by 40%. So if the last traded price is greater than the traded price of 40%, that is above 40%, it is there from the traded price, then you want to exit the position. So you will, what you will do is you will buy first the one which is sold, and then you will cover the hedge position. So you will sell the hedge position. Similarly, you will do it for put side also, right? And then you will come to the universal exit condition. So in universal exit condition, you can define the exit based on time. So let's say at the 3 o'clock or 3:10, this 15:10 is basically 3:10. You want to exit the position, or if the max loss is 3,000 rupees, then exit the position. So you define this. You can put as many conditions as you want. You can also create a number, multiple sets. So this is a set 2, as you can see. This is a set 3, right? So here is a set 3. So you can define basically as many set as you want, and you can add as many. So basically you can make your strategy condition more dynamic, which is the requirement for the current market scenario. So if there is not any strategy which is very straightforward, right, which will make money. If you have this like buy at this level, sell at this level, and stop loss, it will not work over the consistent period. So you need to have a dynamic adjustment in order to make your strategy work for the real market situation. And that is possible when you have the system or the platform like TradeTron, which gives you the flexibility to make your strategy more dynamic. Now, this is the advanced setting. Now, I'll tell you this particular advanced setting is very powerful in terms of giving you the option of first is price execution. So it will allow you to seek the pricing. So you can you get the execution at the best price or the like last traded price, and you can seek the pricing for certain time, 3 ticks, 5 ticks. You can raise your prices, and let's say after 5 seconds you're not getting the execution at best price or the last traded price, you can get the execution at market price. You will get a tranching option. Let's say if you are sending bulk quantities and you want to tranche it, that is possible. You just select like 20% of the quantity to be sent after every 1 minute or 10 seconds or 5 seconds. You can do that. You can trail your stop loss at a strategy level. So let's say after 1000 is reached, you want your profit to be locked at 1000. That means after 1000, it will not let the strategy go below 0 in that case. And after let's say every 200 rupees increase, you want to trail your stop loss by 100 rupees. So you can do that as well. So you can define that as well. You can reactivate your strategies after certain time. You can check the conditions, continuous basis, capital required. So you can all this. You can put it. You can make your strategy. Like for example, if you want to avoid the initial 10 minutes, 15 minutes volatility in the market, and whatever the signal is generated, you want to avoid it. So without writing any code, you can directly mention it over here. You can roll over on the expiry. Python code is available. So this is Python code is basically for the custom coding requirement, which can be done only via TradeTron support team. Now, let's say if you want to make your strategy available to others, you have to just select as yes. And when you do that, you can select this, like basically whether to make the strategy available privately. So when you put this as yes, it will be available only for the private clients. So you can only share it with a few selected clients. If you select the publish to marketplace, it will be published in the marketplace. and you can charge a fees for that. You can charge 500 rupees, 1,000 rupees, whatever the amount that you want to charge. You can put any variable fees, and you can allow others to duplicate as well. And if you don't want to deploy, you can duplicate. You can select as no. You can create as a old position. You know, so all these basically options you can select, and then after this you can just click on create. So you will get a, if you're creating for the first time, you will get an option of create, or if you're editing, you can just click on update. So it will update the strategy. Now this, like we have already created a lot of videos on this, on the strategy creation, which you can refer. So here is a video section. Go to the YouTube channel and click on this playlist option, and view full playlist on the strategy creation. So you can see there are a lot of videos already created. So this particular strategy which I was talking about, this is already created over here. You can see, you can refer, and this is explained in more detailed way. Right now what we have done is we have explained on the details, but to get a more clarity, you can refer to all these videos. I'm sure you will be able to create your own strategies once you can go through all these strategy videos. And also there are some short videos available on the keywords, so you can check on the video section. So there are more than 150, 160 videos already available, which will help you to create your own strategy, right? So you can do that as well. Also, if you want us to create a strategy, we also provide us basically, this is the link which I'll share it on chat option, so with everyone. So we also provide a strategy creation service in case if you want us to create the strategy for you. It is a chargeable service, so it will range in the range of like 5,000 to 50,000, depending on the complexity of the strategy. So that is there, and we also have our own API for linking the strategy with third-party tools. So let's say you already have the strategy on TradingView or AmiBroker, so you can directly connect with our API. And how to do that, we have already created a video also, and it is available on blog section as well. And if you want to know about more about backtesting, so here is the option of backtest as well. So you can check this particular blog for backtesting. It will give you the information, detailed information on how to backtest a strategy, and how the reports are generated and everything. I'll want to show you one very important thing in terms of in case if you're looking for a strategy from the marketplace. So here is the strategy stats, which is available extreme bottom of the page. So you can just click here at the strategy stats, and this page will open up where we give you the information of the previous month performance. So here you can see this is a May month return, and you can select the strategy based on your filter. So let's say if your requirement is to select highest Sharpe ratio of the strategy, which strategy has a higher Sharpe ratio. So you can select here, you can check here what is the AUM deployed. You can also select based on the return, right? You can filter it based on the capital if you want. So you can just have to click here. Based on the AUM also you can do that. So you can get in details that how much return has been generated, and what is the overall Sharpe ratio, right? Maximum 1 day loss, 1 day gain. So this will give you a very good idea in terms of if you are selecting a strategy. If you don't have your own logic, then the best way to get the best strategies from the marketplace is to refer to this particular strategy stats page, and then you can use it for your requirement. So this is more on the feature side. Now, like we'll talk about the pricing now. So as I already mentioned, in case if you all have not yet noted down, please take a note of this assist at zebu.trade.com, and they will get in touch. I mean, you can they'll give you the coupons as well for subscribing to the TradeTron platform, and you can directly get assistance for connecting your broker as well. So you please write to this email ID. I'll put this in the chat as well for you all to refer. Right, so we'll talk about the pricing now. Now this particular technology, if you'll just understand, the requirement for this is nothing in terms of what if you want to get started. All you have to do is just open an account with TradeTron using the link available at Zebu platform, and Zebu is providing free API, and you're all set to go. They are providing coupons as well, and all you can. So this is just a pricing in case if you want to know what are the features you get. And the best part of this particular technology is that you don't require any other setup in terms of VPS connection or a data feed connection, and you can use this platform from anywhere. So you can use this from any computer. There is no software to download as such, right? And there is no requirement even to log into TradeTron once you have done all the setup. Only thing is you have to stay logged into your Zebu account. So it is that simple for using TradeTron for your trading purpose. Now we'll talk about the pricing. So we are providing one plan that is free plan, which is available for you to explore the platform without any cost. So you get one strategy to deploy in paper trading, and you can test any of the strategy from the marketplace, or you can select a strategy of your own and you can deploy it. Then we have this starter plan of 250 rupees, which you will get one strategy to deploy on a live. That means without any manual intervention, the execution will happen, and you will get email, WhatsApp, SMS, phone call notification as well. Then there is a 1,000 rupees plan. In this you can deploy 5 strategies. You will get 10 backtest, and also you will get email, WhatsApp, SMS, phone call. This is a 2,500 plan, in which you will get 10 strategies to deploy, and you also get a continuous condition check. So the difference between 1 minute and continuous is in 1 minute your conditions are checked only once in a minute. In continuous, the condition check happens on a continuous basis. There's 25 backtests you get. Then in portfolio manager plan, you get in 5,000 rupees, you can make 5 strategies available to your clients. So that means you can share 5 strategy signal with your client or anyone that you want. And 25 strategies you can deploy in your own account. You get 50 backtest. And let's say if you're charging 1,000 rupees, let's say if you put your strategy or publish your strategy on marketplace, and you're charging certain amount. So let's say if you charge 1,000 rupees, of that 20%, that is 200 rupees, will be taken by the TradeTron, and the remaining amount will be credited in your wallet. From here, you can withdraw the funds. And other features remain same. And let's say if you already have a huge client base, or like you're looking for your client level requirement, so you can pay 15,000 and you get to deploy unlimited strategies. You can make unlimited strategies available to your clients as well, and there is no sharing of any revenue with TradeTron in that case. And you can also check quarterly and yearly plan for more details. The best thing to go for is this your retail plan right now. In case if you're planning, you can take the coupons from Zebu, because from next month onwards, this price is going to be revised. So you need to check on that percent. So if you go ahead and select Zebu right now and approach them, they can give you the coupon as well. And next month onwards, the price is going to be increased. But why it has been increased? Because this condition check will come in the continuous section. So you will get a continuous condition check in the at the price of 1,000 if you do it in the month of June itself. So this is pretty much from my side, Mr. Karthikeyan. If any questions are there, let's please ask. We'll be happy to assist in that.
Thank you, Dinesh ji, for your wonderful presentation. So, dear participants, do you have any doubt? You can ask through chat box. Today's communication forum will be the chat box. You can post your questions to chat box. The pilot faculty will ready to answer you for a few minutes for your questions.
So we have one question from Mr. Muthukumar. Can we design our own strategy? Will there be any guide or support to develop my own strategy? Yes. As I mentioned, you can create your own strategy from our create strategy page. There are already a lot of resources available. As I already mentioned, you can check our blog section, strategy templates, videos, and also we provide custom strategy creation service, quant service. So this quant service is available for certain cost. In case if you already have created a strategy and you want an assistance on few keywords or few parameters, then you can also write to support at Tradetron.tech and our team will assist you on that without any cost. So I'll write down that email ID as well for you all to refer. Mr. Sinam is saying, please show good strategies so that we can do. Okay. See, there are strategies available, whether it is good or not good, depends on your own requirement, your risk appetite, your capital. There are a lot of things involved. What I request you is, you can, once you click on the strategy stats, let's say, if I have to filter, like say, if I just select from the AUM side, and if I want to select say, this particular strategy, I'll click on the strategy name, and I'll understand what the strategy is all about by reading the description and see the performance, all this. So all this thing you can do it by your side and then select which strategy is good for you. So you already have a lot of options available. All you have to do is just take the information from the Tradetron filter options or the strategy stats page, and you can find a good strategy which suits your requirement, your available in your capital requirement and risk return calculations and everything. Scripting knowledge is no, Mr. Shanawaz Begum. This is not, there is no requirement of any coding as such. All you have to do is invest little time in understanding the Tradetron keywords, and for that we have already explained the details in a very easy way for anyone to do the strategy creation. All you have to do is go to the YouTube channel, and there are a lot of information available for you to create your own strategy. Will it work in laptop trading in Zebu? Yeah, yeah. So there is, as I mentioned, you can access. There is no requirement of a desktop or laptop as such. You can operate it from anywhere, and we also have a mobile app. So you can download the mobile app from here, and you can access it from our Tradetron mobile app as well. I have already answered Mr. Vik on strategy creation. There are a lot of videos. All you have to do is go to a YouTube channel, and you can check that. Can I integrate a PineScript trading view with it? Yes, definitely, Mr. Tiwari. You can integrate your trading views PineScript, and we have provided the step-by-step details also. Just have to refer to this. We have given all the information over here. What is the best strategy in production for capital of 40K? It's very difficult to tell you about this, Mr. Begum. As I mentioned, you have to do this selection from your side. Customer service by Tradetron or Zebu, from both. If you have any strategy related or any Tradetron related query, you can definitely reach out to Tradetron. If you want the connect, like your account to be connected with Tradetron, you can reach out to Zebu and Tradetron both. So yes, we have to log in once in a day before market open. Well, on Tradetron, once you have done the setup of adding Zebu as a broker and you have deployed the strategy in Zebu, after that Tradetron is even not required to stay logged in. You can check that. Obviously, you can check on your mobile app or web application, but you have to stay logged in for the entire trading hours in your Zebu account. So Zebu account login is mandatory, it's necessary. On Tradetron, can we use strategy to two different broker accounts? Yes, it is possible, Mr. It's possible. Mr. Gupta, I'm not able to understand what you want me to answer this as in. Please write your question again. You mean we need to compulsory in front of system during trading? You don't have to be in front of computer, but you have to stay logged in your mobile app. You can stay login in your mobile app of Zebu or your web application. That's it for trades to take. So that is the basically you have to stay login in any of the application of Zebu. Mr. Sanaval, one registration is enough for this requirement of yours. Customer service, Mr. Gupta has some questions related to customer service. So you can definitely reach out to, as I mentioned, that you, for any TradeTron related support, you can reach out to our priority chat option here. So you can put a chat option we have, or you can directly write an email to us. So here is the chat option. You can reach out to us for TradeTron related queries. Yes, Mr. Akshay, you can manage the stop loss through Algo. So basically, I'm not clear on what your requirement is, Mr. Akshay. Stop loss, as in you want to have a manual execution and manage the stop loss only. If that is the case, then it's not possible. But entire execution along with the stop loss and everything that is possible in Algo. Mr. Karthikeyan, one client is asking that is the brokerage is same for Algo trading as well?
Yes, yes, same one.
Yeah, it is same. For any reason, if it log out, TradeTron can't execute. You are correct, Mr. Kumar. If it logs out, then the session get expired. So you can immediately log in again, and the session gets activated. And then whatever the signal is generated, it will be able to trade. So you, if for some reason if it is logged out, you can log in again. You can manually exit if the so basically this is I mean the condition that you have mentioned or the scenario that you have mentioned, Mr. Shrikara, it is not likely to happen. But let's say, given a scenario, if that kind of situation happens, then you can pause the strategy at TradeTron and you can manually manage the account from Zebu. So everything remains same. You can and you can place a new order from Zebu itself. You can exit the orders. All you have to do is you have to make sure that the strategy is paused at TradeTron if you want to do a manual intervention. Mr. Akshay, this is a Zebu webinar, so we'll try to avoid other broker platform questions over here. Are there any strategies which are recommended by TradeTron based on business performed in the last few months? There are plenty of strategies. As I mentioned, there is not one strategy, two strategy that I want to mention. As I mentioned, this filter option is there. Please search it by AUM if you want, and then you can look for the strategies which have done really good over the period of time, and you can see the performance here. So this is how you can check. So there you can see there are so many strategies which is given such a good return on capital deployed. This is 7% return, 1% return. This is only for the month, 1 month return that is showing over here of the May month. And here is the profitability of the strategies or the net return here it is. And this is the cost for the strategy for the number of trades that has happened. After that also the strategies generated very good percentage return. So Mr. Praveen, you can reach out to Zebu on this, and they have the coupons for subscribing with to TradeTron. So this is the email ID. Please write to them, assist@zebu. And team will not only help you with the coupon code, but also they'll assist you in how to connect with TradeTron using Zebu account.
Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you for your wonderful presentation.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah. So dear participants, if you missed meanwhile any points or due to connectivity issues from your end, so you can get the video as well. So we will share the video to your end by through email. Thank you so much. Thank you for your participation. Have a great day. Have a great day.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.